Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name's Erica. We're unboxing the June 2022 Sew Sampler box. So if you're new to Sew Sampler boxes, these are monthly sewing and quilting subscription boxes and they cost $24.95 a month. They have a ton of fun stuff inside. So we're gonna take a look and see what came inside the June box. And I do wanna apologize. I know this unboxing is just a little bit late. I kind of took last week off to just hang out with the family. And so I am getting this up a little late, but hopefully you guys still enjoy the video anyway. So let's go ahead and dive right in. So every box comes with an insert that tells me everything inside my box. So I'll be using this as a guide, but it tells you retail value, and then at the end I'll tell you how much value you got for your box. But we're going to start off with this month's sew along block, and this is the Bliss Sew Along. This was designed by Joanna Figueroa for Fig Tree. These patterns are on the Fat Quarter Shop website for $4.98 each. So if you want to follow along and you're not getting the boxes, I don't think they release until the following month though. I don't think they release right when the box came out, or it comes out, but I could be wrong on that. So check their website. But this one is really cute. I love it. It's kind of like almost like a triple pinwheel block, actually. That one is really, really cute. This finished block is going to be 10.5 by 10.5. And if you're new to my unboxings, I actually save all of these patterns. And then at the end, when we get our last box, I do a big giveaway for all the patterns for one of you guys. So that's a lot of fun. So stick around for that. Here is the cover for this month's box. The theme for June is meant to be. There is also a promo code on here for a free of their plaid mesh bags. So with $40 purchase, you can get one of these bags free using the code that came on the back of the insert. Okay, let's dive right in. So my first thing I have here is this thread, and this is actually by Metler. This is Candlewick 100% cotton silk thread. It retails for $6.98, and it said thread is one of the most important elements of a quilt. We included a 100% cotton Metler thread in this soft neutral cotton hue, which blends well with any fabric color palette and will melt right into your flower pot fabrics for this month. And I'm gonna apologize for the lighting also. I've got clouds coming in and out, so it is what it is. The next thing we have in this box, and I was really excited to see this. I would love to try it. I haven't yet. This is a lighted seam ripper by Gypsy Quilter, and this values at $8.98. And the tip of it does light up. It says, "Let this little light shine. The lighted seam ripper brightens up an otherwise bothersome task. Rip out stitches quickly and clearly with this sharp blade and LED bulb." So of course we need to take this out of the package. All right, so it has this little lid that comes on and off, which is nice. And then to turn it on, let's see if it works. When you get it, you got to pull that tab out so that it works. So I got my battery thing pulled out and voila, look at that. Woo, that's bright actually. It really is quite bright. It kind of hurts your eyes, don't look at it. But I feel like that's going to be kind of fun if you need help seam ripping, especially I sew a lot at night. And so I think this is actually going to be a useful little gadget. So there it is, the lighted seam ripper. Let me know if you've tried this, if you guys have already gotten your boxes and how it's working out for you. But otherwise, I think it's actually a pretty handy little gadget. The next thing we got came in this cute bag. This is Idle Moments Bamboo Coasters. Here's a little info card that came with it. It kind of has some other information on some of the other products that they offer and some of the other designs. So it's actually, trying not to drop the coasters. So it's actually pretty cool what they do. And here are the coasters, and they have little felt feet on them, and they're both the same. And it says they retail value for only $6.74, which seems really reasonable for a couple of like handmade coasters like this. It says, "Rest your favorite quilting beverage on one of these quilt-inspired coasters created from bamboo. This pair of Idle Moments coasters features lovely star blocks that will help keep your quilting mojo strong." And these are really quite cool looking, like the detail, and then they have these little felt feet on the bottom. So very cool. I'm actually kind of excited to get these. I always have drinks everywhere in my sewing room, and having something to set them on will be really nice. Although these are so pretty, I sort of don't, I guess maybe bamboo doesn't leave water stains. I don't know. Let me know if you know in the comments below. So I'd hate to have a ring on there from one of my drinks, but just because they're so pretty. But anyways, I don't know. I'll probably use them anyway, but they're really, really cool. All right, let's take a look at the pattern that came in this month's box. This is the Magnolia Quilt pattern, exclusive for Fat Quarter Shop. It values at $9.98, and it says, as beautiful and enduring as a magnolia tree, the Magnolia Quilt will find a place in your home for years to come. This Sew Sampler exclusive pattern offers lap, runner, and placemat size options and flourishes with the Flower Pot Junior Jelly Roll in this month's box. And like I said, on the back, they have different sizes, so it looks like the placemats are 14 by 18 basically, the table runner is 18 by 62, and then the quilt is 54 by 62. So lots of fun. So you need the Junior Jelly Roll plus a couple of extra pieces for your backing and your binding, and you're good to go. So here is the fun fabric for this month. It is $21.98 value. It's a Junior Jelly Roll. This, it says, find common ground in our love for Flower Pot by Lella Boutique. Rich foliage, rustic stripes, cozy dots, and handwritten text fill the prints in this 20-piece Junior Jelly Roll for a modern cottage chic style. Dig in and explore its natural beauty. And of course, it will go perfectly with this pattern. And because these colors aren't really up my alley, I am going to do a giveaway for the Jelly Roll plus the pattern. So I'm going to have you guys leave a comment below letting me know what your favorite thing from this month's box was. I will pick one of the winners and send you an email, and then we'll get this prize sent out to you. All right, so that's everything that came in the June 2022 box. I did add it all up for you. The retail value for that is $59.64. The boxes, again, are $24.95. So pretty good deal. That's going to be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Again, make sure to leave a comment below letting me know your favorite thing in this month's box. Also, let me know if you've tried that light up seam ripper, because I'd like to know what you guys think about that as well. And then I'll pick a winner from all of the comments and get that Jelly Roll and pattern sent out to you. That's going to be it for today. Thanks so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you next time. We included a 100% cotton Mettler thread in this soft neutral cotton hue, which blends well with any fabric color palette and will not melt right into your flower pot fabrics this month. Oh, and will melt. We included a 100% cotton Mettler thread in this soft neutral cotton hue, which I don't have my glasses on. I can't get it out. Mine's not working. Do I need a battery? Oh, pull this tab. Okay. Oh, dropped a battery. All right, I guess I got it in the right way. Okay, all right. Ta-da, here we go. Ready? Take two. We'll just look at this while we wait for the airplane to go over. All right, so this month's Junior Jelly Roll is... Okay, so that's everything that came in the box for June.